Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Amazon gift card. Now this is going to be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now you might have recently received an Amazon gift card for your birthday or Christmas, something like that, and you might be struggling to redeem and use that gift card. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how we can do it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to either head over to the Amazon website, or this can also be done via the app as well. The process won't be exactly the same, however it will be pretty similar, so if you follow the rough steps you should be able to get it done on your mobile as well. So I'm just on the website here, and what you want to do is go up to the top right corner and you want to first make sure you are logged in. And if you are logged in, you should be able to hover over this bit up here where it says your name, and then it will drop down this menu and we just want to click on your account. From here we see a few options, however one of these is gift cards and top up. So since we're trying to use our gift card, we first have to click on this, and as you can see here, we can actually redeem our gift card. Now the gift card's not something you can just pay with at checkout, you're going to have to redeem it first. So what we're going to have to do is click redeem a gift card, and from there we can enter in our claim code. So if you're not sure exactly what this claim code is and how to find it, we can click this here, and it says your gift card claim code is 14 or 15 characters long, and it will usually contain both letters and numbers. And here's an example of what it should look like. And they also say here dashes are not required. So you can just put in the numbers and letters. And then once you're sure you've typed it in correctly, all you have to do is click apply to balance. And then once you've done that, this balance down here will update. And then when you go to check out an item, you'll actually have the option to pay with your gift card balance instead of using a credit card. So instead of using your gift card at checkout, you first need to redeem it on this page. And then when you are checking out, you can use your current gift card balance to pay instead of a card or anything like that. So that's exactly how you can use your Amazon gift card. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. Like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.